Hello everyone, I'm Catherine from LAMP. Today I would like to give a live show to introduce our new release product LSK series. My introduction will be divided into three parts. The first part is market analysis. The second part is the product introduction. The third part is application scenario. Okay, let's start with the first part, market analysis. Yeah, as you can see it, that's the reason why we need outdoor LED display. As you can see, the first picture shows the various forms and the eye-catching products LED displayed outside as a billboard, and the second one is the radiation over customers on the building facades, inducing clients into the shopping malls. And the third part is the 3D video showing on the LED display on the building facade. Okay, let's see the picture. You can see 6 pictures on the board. Yeah, from the independent areas to the shared space, from the building tops close to the surrounding, and from the single message to integrated presenting. You can see the left pictures, right? It is a billboard. It is applied as an advertising billboard. When you're going around the street, you can always see the advertising billboard as a separate, as a shared area space. And at the right picture part, you can see it. You can see it is a shared space. It's a large space for 3. You can also apply it as a 3D video words, as an attractive tools to attract your clients into the shopping malls. Such big curved 3D videos were, and you can see the side at the top of the building, right? It's very noticeable, right? It shows the side of the blanks and the sideboards, banners to show some infos, words on the display. And also the facades, the building facade also can be used as banners and the door gate LED display words. It's very close to us, close to pedestrian. And the third part is the single message delivering the signals, import data from the sideboard. You can see at the transportation station, subway station, such like that. And the next picture, it shows the different integration of different products. Right, it shows the angle, it shows the corner screen and the curved screen together, combined together as a big screen. It shows more attractive videos. Okay, look at this chart. I would like to show you some data of the outdoor LED display market. From this chart, you can see it is from 2019 to 2024. In 2019, the outdoor LED display market share is already up to 2.1 billion, right? But in 2020, market share decreased because of the pandemic, because the coronavirus affects the outdoor LED displays delivering exports. Yes, and then from 2021, it increased again year by year. So we predict in 2024 it will be up to 1.8 million US. So that's the reason why we develop such kind of product and promote such kind of products into clients, because we believe it is a mainstream and the trend for us to do such kind of small LED pitch products. And you can see what we predict the percentage of outdoor smart LED display. In the whole LED display market, only in 2019, only 10% accounts in the small LED display market. But when we predict in 2024, 31.6% proportions behaving in the outdoor LED display market, small LED display market. So we believe the small LED pitch stock LED display will be more likely popular with our market. And look at this chart, it shows the trend. of the pages, mainstream pages. As you can see, nowadays the 3.9 and 3.9 and 4.8 still is the mainstream page in our market, right? Accounting for 18%. With gradual development of outdoor LED display markets, yet and 2.6, we predict 2.6 and 2.9 will occupy a higher market share in the future, in near future. So just don't forget to contact us for these products, because we are actually predict it is a trend in the market. Yeah, so the market is requesting for higher definition, safer, more flexible outdoor LED displays as a function as advertising function. So how we applicate outdoor LED display market, we could enter the area of the outdoor small pages with our efforts to promote such kind of products, promote the small pitch LED displays outdoors. Yeah, let's move to the next part, the second part, product introduction. Yeah, my product introduction will divide it also into three parts. The first part is the product positioning, and the second part is product selling points, and the third part is the competitive product analysis. Okay, let's start with the first part. The first part, as you can see, as an outdoor digital HD LED billboard, it can be applied as professional HD displayed, professional outdoors small pitch displays, and professional digital displays, and the first choice for the billboard. Now I would like to give you some basic features of this product. As you can see from the picture, there are two cabinets which is shown on the screen. The first, the cabinet is divided into two sizes. The first size is 500 by 1000 millimeters, and the second size is the 500 by 750 millimeters. And we have a full range of the pages covering. It is covering 2.6, 2.9, and 3.9. Full options. And as you can see from the picture, the first one is it shows the 500 by 1000 cabinets, only weight 12 kilograms, just one cabinet. So it's very lightweight for installing such kind of LED displays outdoors, as also mounted on the walls. So it may cost less labor cost when you using such kind of slim and lightweight cabinets. And you can see the picture shows the thickness of the LSK cabinet, only 94 millimeters. Slim and concise look when you installing such kind of screens on the facade. As you note, facing such kind of complicated climate and environment, such as high temperature up to 40 degrees or low temperature and the rainy days and the snowing days, right? So such complicated and harsh climates, it makes harder to install such kind of outdoor LED display. So it requires good heat dissipation for this product. As you can see, our cabinet is designed. It is a hollow cabinet, right? It gives the bigger area to do the heat dissipation, and it can be speeding out the dissipation. And the next one is the waterproof. Waterproof function is up to IP66. Yeah, you know, a waterproof function also is very crucial, essential when you installing the outdoor displays. Yes, so as you can see, the whole cabinet is an enclosed cabinet without any gap between modules, right? It's seamless design. It can be fully covered and then protect the cabinets from waterproof. And this part shows how to do the maintenance. The maintenance, you can see it. We can use the pressure, negative pressure tools to remove the module on the cabinets, take off the module from the front side, and also the module can be removed from the rear side, dismantle the module from the front side. So it shows the cabinet both can be done by rear service and the front service. And the control box on the cabinet, you can just remove the front cover on the control box, which is covering the power supply and the receiving card and the hub. And you can remove the cover and then dismantle the power supply and receiving card to do the front service work. So it is so easy and convenient when you're doing the repairing work outside. So it shows the three highlights. The selling points for this product is very creative anti-foreign lock. It is an innovation of this product and the customized combinations. Combined for different size of lattice plate, outdoor lattice plate when your client is requesting for the different size of screen. The third one is the three outstanding advantages, powerful functions, as we can see the next part. As you can see the module on the picture, it is a creative anti-release lock in the industry. It's very special design, unique design for such kind of 2.6, 2.9 small pitch display. As you can see the picture, the module, it is an anti-release lock with the magnet. Right, you can see the magnet on the module, and it makes the double protection when the cabinet is installed or outside. And you can see it is a one-button reset. It means the quick and convenient services when you are removing the module from the cabinet. So the rear and front maintenance both are available for this kind of cabinets, just using the same tools. And as you can see the building, right? The building shows the 3D video lattice plate outside. So a customized 3D video can be displayed on such kind of small pitch lattice plates. It is the naked eye 3D. It makes the building and advertising more attractive to clients, to your customers, and looks funny, right? And you can see at the corner the curved shade of the cabinet with our soft module. It makes the curved corner. Let's come to the high protection. It is the strong selling point among our whole features. IP66 protection, dust protection, waterproof. Both other features crucial and fundamental when you purchasing the outdoor product, right? And the second one is the high precision. It is precise to install such kind of cabinets, because with such kind of small pitch outdoor lattice plate, the installing gap between cabinets is very important, since the pitches becomes smaller and smaller. So the cabinet is up to 0.1 millimeter. Because you can see the cabinet is the hollow design, but it is a die-casting cabinet, integrated modeling, so it makes the high precision when you're installing the cabinets. And the third one is the high hardness. It means we also do the pressure tolerance test and the pour tolerance test. Both tests to prove the cabinet is durable, right? It's safety. As you can see, the pressure tolerance test is up to 26.33, and the pour tolerance test is up to 24.32. So it means durable, safe, neat, designed. Both is very basic but popular features when you're choosing an outdoor LED display product. Yeah, it shows there's more, so super small pitches LED display, long and short distance interaction with audience. Because it's just 2.6 and 2.9, 3.9, such short differences, but delivers better visual effect than pitch 10, pitch 6.6, right? Yeah, as I mentioned previously, our products covering pitch 2.6, 2.9, and 3.9. It shows the resolution combined with different pitches and different size of cabinets. It can achieve different resolution. Whether you need HD resolution, it's easier to combine it with such kind of products. Professional HD displays, it will present perfect image. Yeah, there are 3 comparisons are showed on the board, right? The first one is the functions we can achieve. The first one is their high refresh rate. It's up to 3840. It's a high refresh rate when you're doing recording for the screen, when you're in a live show or your customers and pedestrians going by the building and working on the street. It is very easier and no any scan light when you're recording the screen. And it's high contrast, delivers richer color layers, and it makes the picture vivid and video is more attractive to your clients. And the third is the 40 bits. It's high grade scales and clear texture in darkness. And the second picture shows the HDR solution. The first part is no HDR, just SDR solution, and the second part is the HDR solution. HDR solution, you can see it is very clear to see any details of the pictures, right? You can see the color is very real and real to what you are seeing by your eyes, right? It's a very high color contrast when you display in a picture or video, even in the darkness at night. And the third picture shows the height viewing angle. Horizontal and the vertical viewing angle is up to 160 and 125 viewing angles. So you can see the video, you can see the LED display from any angles, from the top and from the bottom. Okay, so after showing more details about these product features, I would like to show you our real product sample. So let our technicians to take the samples on the stage. Okay, so this sample is LSK 2.9 page 2.9. Right, you can see the whole cabinet's appearance of the backside, right? The control box and the module backside and the whole cabinets and the rocks, right? And the handles, how to install the cabinet. Okay, look at this module. It is the 2.9 module. The backside, yeah. As you can see, this is the tools we use to do maintenance, to remove the module from the cabinets. I will show you the tools. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the tools you can see here. Here is the pink. The pink will be actually find holes on the module and then put the pins into the module. Then the module could be removed from the cabinet. And how to do the real service is use this part and then rotate the rod, and then the cap and the module will be removed and dismantled from the cabinets. So that's the way we do the service work. And these tools were already applied for the patent to protect these tools to do the service work. Okay, that's all the presentation of this real sample. Layout. Okay. Yeah, then let's move to the third part is our application scenery. Application scenery. Yeah, it can apply as the commercial display, advertising technology, transportation, and the digital LED display size. You can see the commercial LED display is displaying as a LED word on the building facades. Right? It also shows the 3D video showing on the board. It can make the city or landmark when customers traveling around your city. It looks so attractive, right? And the second one is the advertising transportation. Yeah, you can see you always see some advertising as in subway, bus station, highway, outdoor elevator, etc. Because it means your clients frequently see the X. It makes your products or the things you like to deliver, you like to advertising, that it can be penetrate into your client source. So your clients always immerse in their advertising atmosphere. Yeah, the third one is the digital side. Digital side, we can see digital side everywhere. When you go in, when you on the street, when you in a shopping mall, digital side is always around everywhere. Yeah, you can see digital size is very important for advertising, so just it plays everywhere. But with some kind of short viewing distance, small page LED display is very important because it shows more clear and precise, better visual effect when you're doing advertising. Because when you go by the digital size, it means the distance is so small, right? So 2.6 and 2.9 are the best option when you're choosing outdoor products. So as a fraction lower of the digital terminal size, it can be used at store size, locations, etc. Yeah, and this one shows the sport. It used as a sport application. Nowadays, we still using page 10, page 6.6 as advertising tools in sport stadiums, playground, right? Because we just displayed simple words, not such kind of complicated videos. But when you're using it as a LED display word, it makes the playground or stadium looks more beautiful. You can see it, the smaller page of the LED display as a per meter LED display. It means the better viewing effect when you're choosing it. Okay, let's move to the final part. Is the sample print. We already developed sampled page 2.9, 2.6. 2.9 and 2.6 is ready for ordering. So you can get a test. You can get a sample from our warehouse, from our factory for the test. It can help you to better promote these products in your clients. And the third one is the 2.6 we are developing, and we have a plan to prepare this kind of stock for a sample showing. So just feel free to ask us for the sample for testing. Just contact us and for the sample. Okay, that's all about our lamp new release product LSK series. Thanks for your listening. Thanks for listening my speech. So I hope you can find anything you are interested in our LSK series. And don't forget to contact us for anything you want, like promotion product we mentioned. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.